Rich, it's Jess at Truck Smart. Just going to start the truck and show you that everything is good. We're going to do a walk around. It only has 8,000 miles. I'm going to show you that there's no check engine lights or anything on it. If you notice down in the odometer, it reads the 8,300 miles. And then I'm also going to show you that the backup camera does work. And then we're going to just do a quick walk around with the truck itself to show you the cabinets. Just going to shut it off so you can hear me better. The interior is nice and clean. Then we're going to zoom in and show you the inside of the cabinets for the 10-foot beverage body. Again, it's 96 inches wide. There's 4 57-inch wide by 45-inch deep bays. We already went over the backup camera. These shelves do slide in and out. You have the spot on the back for your handcart. Again, this side slides in and out as well with the handles right here. It just you pull the handles out and then they slide. These are movable. With little to no ease, they do close. They also have central locking device, which is up here on both sides, so you can easily just lock it by pulling this down. A little movement, and then you push that in, and it's locked. You also have the air deflector on the top as well. It is still covered under the Isuzu base warranty until 3/26/2021. You also have the Isuzu powertrain after treatment until 3/26/2023. And that's a wrap. It's a diesel engine, 5.2 liter. Your GVWR is 16,000 pounds. You have a 109-inch, I believe, wheelbase.